Hi everyone, my name is Philip and this is our presentation for the EOSIO HackaTon 2021 Beyond Blockchain. DestinyWorld is based upon a simple idea of connecting people and technology at multiple levels, combining trends and reusing what is already developed and working. We strongly believe that all this put together in a simple user experience will generate the trajectory and network effect that is so important for our success. In the last years, we have seen an increasing interest in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. The quest for wealth is not longer something that requires a PhD or knowledge of how to operate intriguing computer systems. More and more user-friendly applications, games and use cases are developed and made available on various platforms. With this comes the greed, and with greed comes the scams and malicious behavior. One of our missions is to prove that what once was created and failed can be something valuable. We wanted to take the traction it had for everyday people and develop this into a diversity of features, sustainability, and decentralized autonomous ownership of the community that uses it. To solve this puzzle, DestinyWorld will combine the following trends and technology into one user experience: decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and cryptocurrency. And we will do so by combining these features across blockchains for better user adoption as we go mainstream. DestinyWorld is designed using a known process called CICD. It means that we're continuously developing new features and interconnecting these with our own and other protocols and dApps. The ultimate goal is, of course, to one day deliver a complete release to a DAC or DAO and finally give the ownership to the blockchain and its communities. We believe this is true decentralization. DestinyWorld will be released in multiple stages, and the first stage is a bid and stake contract and user interface. This is a combined DeFi funding component. It is developed to create a monetary and intrinsic value of our utility token DECO. DestinyWorld is developed in stages. Each stage is modular. By that we mean that we're implementing openings for other dApps, the ability to connect to each module and utilize the features we provide. Since we are deploying in parallel on multiple blockchains, we also encourage other dApps to do the same, and we believe this is a good path if the joint goal is to make this technology available for everyday people, mainstream, and the best user experience. All development will be transparent and open sourced shortly after it is deployed to mainnet. The initial testing and prototyping is done on J3, and the official testnet is open for anyone to try out edge cases and try to break the platform. DestinyWorld has a strong belief in the power of ecosystems, communities, and sustainability. How often have we all witnessed various projects that was hyped up and then left? And how often have we witnessed the same project rehyped and again left? We will recreate that attraction everyone had and boost it by inviting everyone to connect our dApps, protocols, and systems into a huge ecosystem. Only when we have the diversity of the entire society and the randomness of all these events and actions, we can truly state that we have developed a fair system for everyone. The same mechanics are used in real life, and the real network effect comes alive when we include everything. In this simple tokenomics diagram, we have used eCoin as an example, where we actually insert eCoin or other coins into a bid and stake platform, where we develop intrinsic and monetary value for our coin DECO. This bid and stake platform can be used for various reasons. It could be used for funding, or it could be used for gamification, some sort of DeFi game. And that's up to the dApp or protocol or system that is whitelisting their token, how they want to use this bid and stake platform and either fund or just have a use case for their tokens. The second stage that's under development now is the mining platform, where DECO is a requirement, but we also have options for other tokens to be whitelisted if dApps or systems or protocols want to use that platform. And what's happening here is that we're basically converting DECO using some intrigue math into a new token called REES, and that REES token will be the hard token which we will use for games, credit cards, and DeFi platforms. Some of the conditions here is that DECO will be retired, and any other token that are whitelisted will be used for liquidity pools. And you can also see that we're adding a couple of more use cases. We will add something called T-bonds, which are bonds currently running on the Marble standard on the Telos blockchain, and something called droplets, which are NFTs that are used for airdropping tokens. And these two types of NFTs will be sold for other tokens or hard tokens, and all the proceeds are going back to liquidity. So the vision behind this tokenomic model is that if you have a dApp, you don't need to spend time to find games, credit card companies, DeFi protocols, or create NFTs, etc., etc. Because the DestinyWorld is already connecting everything together, and they're giving you all these use cases by just connecting your token to the bid and stake platform. And as you can see, all the tokens are actually recycled, so it's going back into the protocols. And the actual value is built upon the blockchain they're running. So the blockchain gains the actual value here, and not necessarily the tokens used inside the protocols. During this hackathon, our lead developer, Bhaskar, has basically developed everything, from the backend C++ code to the front end, using Vue Quasar templates, and we also added a fork of the Scatter UAL extension, and so we could have Wombat, which is a very good wallet for everyday people. This screenshot is showing you the bid screen in our platform, and of course one front end, multiple blockchains, better user experience. And there's a lot more to come. We have also some ideas about connecting social media with the blockchain technologies that we have, and more of that in the future. So I'd like to thank everyone, from David, our CEO, from myself, Wabbit, the CIO, from Bhaskar, our lead developer, and from iAqua, our designer. Thank you.